Congratulations, not for finishing a course, but for completing a shift most people never make. You didn't just learn ideas here. You trained a new way of thinking, feeling, and responding to money, opportunity, and life. You learned how to expand without panic, how to hold vision without anxiety, and how to take action without pressure. That alone puts you ahead of the majority of people who burn themselves out chasing outcomes they don't feel safe holding. From this point forward, remember this: you do not need to force growth. You do not need to rush timing. You do not need to prove anything. Wealth responds to clarity, alignment, and value, not stress. When you stay connected to source, grounded in gratitude and present in your actions, results organize naturally. Some days will feel quiet, some days will feel expansive. Neither means you're off track. You now know how to return to center, how to regulate your nervous system, and how to move forward without abandoning yourself. Carry this into your business, your finances, your relationships, and your daily life. Let this way of thinking become your baseline. You don't need to do this anymore. This is who you are now. And from this place, growth becomes steady, sustainable, and deeply fulfilling.